Hello guys, and welcome back to another class of our course about the complete introduction to Photoshop. So since we're working with Photoshop, in my opinion, it's really important for you guys to know where you can find quality pictures and all this for free. I know that there is a lot of places where you guys can find professional pictures, but most of the time it costs money, and it's not always cool to pay $1, $2, or $3 per picture, sometimes even more, just to have a picture to work with for a certain project. So what we'll do today, we'll just visit a website where you can find free pictures and free videos if you guys have any other, well, if you guys want to work with other projects. So basically the website is called Pexel, so you can go on Google and simply write down Pexel. So it will look something like this, and then simply click on the link, well, this link right there, and it should take you to this page right here. So I'll just click it, and this would be the website. So this is exactly, well, this is what Pexel is. So basically Pexel is just a website that gives you access to free pictures and videos. Basically all these pictures can be used for, well, personal project, YouTube videos, or anything that you want. So basically there are videos right here, there are pictures right here, and all those are really high quality videos and pictures. You can use it to create your own website, you can use it for a personal project, or anything else that you guys want. So let's try it out. Let's write down something. Let's write down, for example, mountains. So here we have it in English and in French. Let's write down mountain. As you can see here, we'll have plenty of really amazing mountain pictures. So as you can see there, all those pictures are really beautiful. Once again, they're all 100% free, and there is no author rights on those pictures. So basically you can use them for yourself. You can take one of those pictures, modify it, do whatever you want with it, and use it as a poster, or well, use it at your own place, however you want. You can do the exact same thing with the videos right here. So for example, you want videos of mountains, well, you can find them right there. And once again, it's completely free. And in my opinion, this is a really, well, an amazing website, especially for people who are just starting out with Photoshop and want to practice picture modification. So if you are looking where to find high quality pictures, well, as I said, I can suggest you Pexel, amazing website. So that's it for this class, guys, and see you all in our next class where we'll continue working with Photoshop.